What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Mufasi Car Reviews, where we take a closer look at the reliability of a given car as well as uncovering what the true 5-year cost of ownership could look like. Today, the car that we'll be looking at is the 2014 to 2018 third generation BMW X5. So, after researching for a few hours online, I found 10 notable problems that the average consumer had faced. Let's get right into it. Number 1 is the interior quality. According to consumers, there are many rattles and squeaky noises coming from different areas in the cabin. For instance, the front seat belts. Every time that you move, even ever so slightly, they make an annoying sound. People have tried to have them replaced with a newer version, but they don't really make a difference. Another thing to note is how easily the leather seats tend to rip. If you want to fix this correctly, you're looking at spending about $1,500 to replace the entire seat. Number 2 is the paint quality. The majority of the X5s that were produced here in America were made at the North Carolina factory. During that time period, the quality control department let thousands of cars pass paint inspection with something identified as solvent popping. This is created by not letting solvents in the underlying paints to properly cure before sealing them with a clear coat on top. In order to fix this issue, you'll need to sand and repaint the panels of the car that are affected. Repainting the hood and the top of the vehicle reportedly cost one customer over $4,700. Number 3 is the fuel injectors. This was another common problem stated amongst owners. Unfortunately, they're flawed and are known to only last about 50,000 miles. When they inevitably go bad, you're going to be looking at an out-of-pocket expense totaling over $3,000. Number 4 is the electrical problems. Apparently the 12-volt battery has been known to quickly drain and leave people stranded due to certain electronics or loose grounds found throughout the car. Another one is the front seat motors, which are problematic and need to be replaced often. Also, the rear tailgate has a mind of its own and will open at random, and it doesn't even matter if you're driving down the road or not. Diagnosing and repairing this can cost as much as $1,500. Number 5 is the air suspension. This was one of the most common problems that I saw repeated over and over again by consumers. They say that the shocks begin to leak air and need to be replaced in as early as every 45,000 miles. The cost for this is set at right about $6,000. Number 6 is the air conditioning. Reportedly, the AC compressor has been known to cause quite a few problems for customers. Specifically, the transistor inside the unit needs to be modified because of how they were poorly manufactured. Even while the AC is working, people complain that it's not very cold and that one side is colder than the other because it's not calibrated correctly. Fixing the air conditioning can set you back about $2,000. Number 7 is body panels. Unfortunately, BMW used thin metal for the exterior body panels found throughout the car. Things like small acorns can create noticeable sized dents for customers. If someone opens their door into the right spot, you can expect the entire panel to indent itself severely, costing easily over $2,500 to replace. Number 8 is the turbo engine. The regular 6-cylinder turbo engine has been known to be poorly designed and need to be replaced in as early as 50,000 miles. Common cases that have been reported include the engine shaking while idle, or people will be going down the road and all of a sudden the engine will begin to rattle and shake while creating loud, harsh noises, followed by altogether quitting and never turning back on. Having to replace your engine has cost customers on average $18,000. Number 9 is the hybrid problems. The hybrid technology of the BMW X5 has two main problems. The first being that the charging system fails in as few as 50,000 miles and costs about $3,000 to fix. And the second hybrid problem is that the entire battery pack dies. For the dealership to properly remove and inspect the batteries, it costs $3,200 alone. If you had to replace the entire battery pack, then you're looking at an additional $20,000. Number 10 is the diesel filtration system. Many customers that purchased the diesel version of the BMW X5 said that they wish they would have known that the diesel particle filter is something that needs to be replaced every 3 or 4 years for a price tag of over $9,000. If you don't stay on top of replacing the filter, the diesel engine will not be able to correctly process the fuel and will consequently cause a cracked piston and damaged cylinder wall, costing over $13,000 to repair. Alright, and there you have it. Those are the top 10 reliability problems with the 2014 to 2018 BMW X5. Before we go, let's take an extra second to see what the 5-year cost of ownership could look like for this vehicle. Let's say that during the 5 years you own the car, each of those first 7 problems occurred one time, as well as an additional $15,000 for the sake of numbers 8 through 10. That totals out to be nearly $36,000 in service costs. Hopefully this information better helps you decide whether or not this car is the right investment for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching.